The volume of Chinese trade and investment in Ghana is increasing significantly. Last year, Chinese registered flows into the country exceeded $123 million, making the Asian economic giant Ghana's largest trading partner. CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai explored ways to improve trade and bilateral relations with Ghanaian Ambassador to China.
Trade between Ghana and China in terms of exports from China to Ghana has gone up by 11.69%, and also exports from Ghana to China, which was quite low, has gone up by about 3.7%. Our target is to make sure that we can keep increasing it because there is a serious trade imbalance. But the only way we can do that is by strengthening our manufacturing sector, because China needs a lot of products, and I believe that we have a competitive edge in terms of food products.
How is the people and people exchange between Ghana and China going, and how is it impacting on development of both countries?
Right now, Ghana has the highest number of African students in China. We have about 6,470 students, which is quite a dramatic increase from when I took over as ambassador, because we've been working very hard to push the numbers. And this year, I think across Africa, we had the highest number of scholarships. 300, the ambassador told me. And we're also looking at areas of vocational training where people just come to acquire skill sets within 6 months. Because I believe that as a country, that is what we need to develop. The simple things which make life easy for everybody, but also earns you an income.
Ghana continues to receive huge investments from China. We can talk about the $2 billion announced by the Chinese government last year, which is going to help Ghana bridge its infrastructural deficit. What's more should we be looking at getting from China?
In terms of investment flow, we want to make it a two-way. We are working very hard with the cocoa board. We're working very hard with some of the manufacturers like Casa Preco to get their products into the Chinese market. Because, the Chinese middle class is also growing. And therefore, if we can get even 2 to 3% of Chinese consumers to eat a Ghanaian chocolate bar a day, the revenue flows into this country will be huge, So for me, that is my major focus, more than maybe, it's good for us to get the Chinese investments into Ghana at this time because we need to develop the infrastructure. Unless you have the infrastructure, you have the roads, you have a cheap source of energy, it's very difficult to also set up your manufacturing base. So from the China side, that's what we are looking at them for.